Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I have an exciting boxing. The purse that I originally went to MLouye for has arrived. It is the last one of mine to arrive, I think, out of 5. So if you haven't seen my other MLouye unboxings, I'll link those below for you to watch next. Some really beautiful designs. But I had originally found the brand because the Naomi purse was mentioned as being similar to the MLouye puzzle bag, which is a bag that I was loving for a long time and finally did purchase. So I have that unboxing too. I'll link that below. So I am excited to actually get my hands on this, check it out, and see if it really is similar to the puzzle bag or not. Just based on the pictures online, I don't think so, but a lot of people kind of compare it. So if you're interested to see my first impressions on this purse and an overview on it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I do love the coloring that they use. It's kind of a muted sage color, just a really classy, beautiful color. And this is a newer brand. I want to say they were started in 2015, and just some really beautiful geometric, I think very neat designs. So comes in the same color dust bag. And the dust bag is kind of a cotton, kind of canvasy material. And it does have these ribbons. That one looks a bit knotted, or I don't know what's going on. All right, there we go. And okay, so this is the Naomi Milky. And my first impression is I love it. It's so beautiful. I wasn't sure if I'd like the multicolor. So when I first saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. But I don't like to get purses, anything similar to anything that I already have. So because I have a lot of these colors already, I was like, well, it'd be kind of fun to get a multicolor, which is not something I usually do. And then as I was waiting for it to come, I kept looking on the website and I was like, oh, am I gonna like a multicolor? But I do. And I could see how this would be so beautiful if I was wearing all white to have these other colors, or any of the colors, or even maybe all red, or you know, a brown, one of these, just any color to add just some interest. And so let's see the design. Okay, I do not get puzzle bag. I do not get puzzle bag vibes from this at all. Like, not even a little bit. So I don't know how people are seeing that. Maybe because of the put togetherness, but it's completely different. It's almost 3D. Which is really neat. It's a lot more structured. It's not, the puzzle bag is a little softer, and I will do a comparison review on that one as well. Let me get this plastic top off. Okay, so this is the Naomi, I guess the regular, I don't know what order they all came out in, but they do have a smaller size of this. Or is this a small? I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. I do know that this comes in 2 sizes, and then they have some other variations. I think like a couple pouches, a couple wallets. But basically the Naomi has this kind of design in the front. So this kind of, I guess, puzzled effect is why maybe people think it's the puzzle bag. But let's go through the details. So there are a few different colors here. And you can see the side it's all really structured, so I think it's a really classy bag. There isn't where's the name? The name brand is only in the back side, so very understated, which I love. The handle is in white, which probably isn't the best color to pick for a handle, but I think this kind of leather wipes off really good. So I like leather purses because they're kind of easy to clean. So I just use a microfiber towel if I spill coffee on it, or, you know, it gets dirty in any way. So let's check it out. Okay, so it has double snaps there, and it seems that the magnets are pretty strong, so that's good. Okay, I love that the strap is in this beautiful tan color. It's one of my favorite colors, and this just goes good with everything. I also like that there are two small button hooks or closures instead of one larger one. I'm glad they went for two smaller instead, and they are flat on the back, so if you are wearing a tank top or something, it won't dig into your skin. That looks a little more comfy, and the leather is nice and smooth. Really pretty. I prefer these buttons too, as opposed to a buckle. I just think it looks classier and a little more streamlined. The hardware at the bottom is square, and all the rest on my other purses were rectangular. It does have the brand name on there. So really nice strap, and it is a little thicker than some of the other ones for the other purses I got, so really nice. And so let's take a look inside. The top handle is held on by the same way, except the other side is hidden in there, hidden in the top. So that's really neat. This does have an interior pocket there, but only one side kind of opens. So you could, I don't think you could keep your phone in there, but like, you know, some cards or money or something like that. It does have a nice kind of roomy area there. We'll see what fits inside. And then a separated area over here. So this is where I would probably keep my phone here and my keys and wallet over here. So I really like that. And it is a full panel in there. So that's nice. And then the top is trimmed with the white leather. And oh, there is embossing of the brand name there too, but all really understated, really, really cute. So let's see what fits inside. Lots of stuff on my keys. My little lighted mirror. This is so cute if you're in a darker area. It has little lights that come on. And here is the iPhone 15 and my wallet, which is almost the same size. It's really big. And I have some potpourri, some lip gloss, Fenty, which is my favorite, and a purse holder. Okay, and I just put that all in there rather quickly, but you can see everything fits inside there just fine. So all my normal stuff fits in there, and the magnet closes just fine. Okay, real quick, I noticed something because I went to put the strap on, and the only way to get it on is to completely undo these. So this must have been, I'm guessing, an original purse, and they have later came up with the design to make the hardware open and close to get it on and off easier. So usually I keep both straps on my purse, but this first one won't lay down. This one is fine to have as an extra, but it would be nice if this one laid flat somehow, but it's kind of up there. I don't know if that will bug me or not, so I'll have to see. But certainly the longer strap is workable like that. Okay, and here it is in comparison to the Atlas as well. I would say pretty similar in sizing. It is a little smaller. It is a little bit smaller, but relatively the same size. Okay, so my overall thoughts on this purse are, it's a beautiful design. It's very functional. I say it's very classic. It has a lot of great design elements. I personally am not sure that I love the white in these areas. I think the colors are timeless though. You know, these colors will go with everything. I love the size. I love the design. How hardy it will be. I mean, they do use the Italian cowhide leather, so it should be pretty hardy. I wouldn't expect it to wear down, but it is leather, and all leather gets softer after a while. Some of this is a bit more structured than others, like the sides are a little softer leather. This has some kind of backing or something on it to give it a little more structure. Overall, the buckle design here, I'm not sure about, but it is a unique design. It is beautiful. I don't know if it's my favorite in the MLouye lineup. I have reviewed quite a few and been blown away by some of them. And this one, I mean, it is beautiful. There is nothing wrong with it, but I don't know if it's my favorite, but it certainly is classic and looks really great. So hopefully this review helped you out and gave you kind of a closer look at this purse if you are considering it. If there's anything I left out, go ahead and leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer. Check out the other my other videos on MLouye too, because I did pick up quite a few and have reviewed some. I probably will do a final comparison of some at some point after I use them for a little bit. But hopefully, you know, this was helpful, at least entertaining. If it was, please consider giving this video a like. That way YouTube will press it out to more ladies that it will potentially help. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a really great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.